to, I just got out from dialysis. We are going to eat buffet with my daughters and husband and Ate Gladys. She's 31 years old, so we are going this place to celebrate her birthday because we have no time. I just got out from dialysis and my husband put me on. Next patient. So welcome to my vlog, guys. This is my husband. Say hi.
So guys, yo.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Subscribe and share.
Make sure you mash that bell for notification.
Be sure to mash the notification. So we are here, our favorite restaurant, my husband's favorite.
Dog. Another dog.
My husband. While awaiting my daughter. Here, that's my husband there. He's walking. My daughter and my granddaughter's not here yet. That's it, guys. Oh, jabuchi. So the dessert here. It's all dessert na lang. This is the sushi here. If you wanna be a sushi, bilit lang if you want to go over here there, like, but you have to give tip. Yeah, sushi bar. Yeah. Yeah, this is the macaroni here, the barbecue. Oh, that's my favorite there.
Thank you, parents.
You're welcome. The Gladys. Legumes. Go give me a, what do you call that thing? Fortune cookie. And candy. Hello guys, we are going now. Not that one. The candy. The candy too. Yeah.
No coins done.
$1 now? Oh my god, it's too expensive. Well, guys.
Yeah, before at the PX, I left the doors.
Open down. Say hi.
Hey,
Say, don't forget to subscribe. Look at here. To subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Like, share, and comment. Hello guys, we're leaving now. We're done eating dinner. Well, this was dinner, so don't forget to subscribe. Genuine Team Vlog, like, share for updates our new video. Still inside, so that's my daughter's car and I think Gladys. So we're leaving now. So this place, guys. So this is Walmart here. Some of the lows. So guys, we're going home now. So we're driving home now. So it's going the straight there is the mall.
Who's that? That mall's over there.
Oh, there is the mall, yeah. So this is the so this is very busy.
Shouldn't be. There's no works.